Today's date is 26 December 2025. We have a breaking news for you. And this breaking news is something that people have been expecting for a very long time. People, at a point, some people started rumoring that it could not happen. Maybe this is not going to take place. There's a kind of little fear, people started panicking about it. Could it happen? Are you sure it's gonna happen or not? What is that? There's a breaking news, like I said, that America have carried out airstrike on Nigerian soil, and people have been reacting on that since 2-3 hours ago. American president reported, through his X handle, that America have successfully carried out an airstrike targeting ISIS, all right, in Nigeria. And this airstrike took place in Sokoto place, and we are going to go through everything. And I will try my best to share some reaction from different people towards this. And please make sure you are stick with us by making sure you like the video and share it to many platforms of your choice. As you can see on the screen, I believe you will still remember this post that Trump made. American president made this post few days ago, a few weeks ago, saying if the Nigerian government continue to allow the killing of Christians, the U.S. will immediately stop all aid and assistance to Nigeria and may very well go into that non-disgraced country, gone ablazing, to completely wipe out the Islamic terrorists who are committing these horrible atrocities. I am hereby instructing our Department of War to prepare for possible action. If we act, it will be fast, vicious, and sweet, just like the terrorist thugs attack our cherished Christians, warning the Nigerian government better move fast. So this is warning from American president, and this person, Mr. Peter, or Mr. Peter Haggis, said, yes, sir, the buying of innocent Christians in Nigeria and anywhere must end immediately. Okay, so this post was on November, if you can recall, November 2nd, 2025. That was when this post was made. And today, 4 hours ago, as of time of recording the video, the same person made this post and said the president was clear last month. The killing of innocent Christians in Nigeria and elsewhere must end. The Department of War is always ready to ISIS found out tonight. Okay, it's always ready. So ISIS found out tonight that the Department of War of America is always ready. So ISIS found out tonight. On Christmas, more to come. Grateful for Nigerian government support and cooperation. Merry Christmas. Now, this won't have got people talking if Nigerian government actually aware or not. And Minister of Foreign Affairs came up with this post just to kind of claiming that they are aware of everything, all right? And he made this post, as you can see here. I don't know how to zoom it, but let me try my best. No, I don't have the time, to be honest with you. I just want to go through all these things once and for all, but I will try to zoom it for you, okay? Just hold my mind. All right, for example, you can see the post now. You can read it, you can see through it, because he made this publication to confirm that airstrike, that Nigerian government is aware of it. As you can see here, so this is the press, look at it, the press release from Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Abuja, confirming that the Nigerian government is aware of this airstrike. Although we still have some people saying that is just just talking. All right, as you can see here. Now, I wouldn't have believed this. I would have doubted it, but seeing it from this American one of the official, I don't know his position in the government of America as we speak, but seeing him, making this kind of claim that truly American government and Nigerian government and America work together, all right, I can somehow believe that. But if not, I'm going to tell you my own opinion. Let me just share this to you before we move forward. If truly that Nigerian government and American government, that Nigerian government is aware of this extra before they carried it out, I don't believe that America will hit target. Like, I don't believe, this is my own opinion, please. I don't believe that America will hit target. What do I mean by that? I don't believe that, because the news says that American, that multiple ISIS, multiple terrorists, was unalived. Okay, if truly that Nigerian government is aware of it, I don't believe that. Yes, they carry the airstrike, but how many people do they capture? The target may not be as brutal as they're announcing it. If I thought, this is my own belief, because this is how far I can go to doubt anything Nigerian government are involved, especially when it comes to security. And don't blame me for that, because we all know that people that in Nigerian government and security as of today have questionable character. So how can you make me to trust that truly that if you collaborate with an American government, that should just relax and say, yeah, because the news said that they target, they caught many people and all that. I don't personally see that happen if I thought they work together. This guy here has been yapping nonsense since then, and every post he make, you always want to target the person. Like today, is it a coincidence that Israeli Prime Minister on his Christmas message called that Nigerian government and said it will have to, that this has to end, and the same day American carried the airstrike targeting the ISIS. So this is a Nigerian foreign minister claiming, like the message that I just showed to you, that I just shared with you now. It's from the Minister of Foreign Affairs. So he claimed that the American government and Nigerian work together to get it done. Like you say here, breaking news: Nigerian federal government confirms ongoing U.S. security cooperation following American airstrike on terrorist targets in the northwest. The Nigerian Ministry of Foreign Affairs has issued a press release confirming structured security cooperation and intelligence collaboration with the United States, which has contributed to precision airstrike targeting terrorist position in Nigeria's northwest region. Now, if this is true, I have an issue with it, because I don't believe that Nigeria and America will achieve much working together with Nigerian security as of today, because, like in the word of T.Y. Dajuma, that they are collude. How can you tell me that you are striking somebody who they are, their members are in security? It doesn't make sense to me. But let's see. This person said U.S. Department of War released missile launch footage accompanying Trump's statement on operation targeting ISIS in northwest Nigeria. And this is the video. Pay close attention in case if you have not seen that. This is an opportunity to see just that. I want to open it. Just a moment. This is the footage that they released. Okay, how they carried it out. So this footage is how they carried this airstrike, according to them. All right, so that is it. And here we have Arise News confirming the same news. The United States has conducted coordinated airstrike on Islamic State militants in Sokoto, northwest Nigeria, at the request of Nigerian authority, buying multiple extremists. That is, I don't like. I don't know. Maybe I could be wrong. I don't know. I'm just telling you my mind, because I'm not an insider, but judging by what Nigerian security can do, and for the fact that some of these integrated Boko Harams are around, there's no way I will believe that they will conduct, airstrike without by informing Nigerian government and informing Nigerian security. And you want to tell me that their base, they will allow these boys to be there when the airstrike will be carried out? I don't think so. Please, if you have not liked the video, please do. I just want to give you an update as they hot. So it was also reported that Niger, that's Niger, have also reacted towards this airstrike by claiming they're gonna, they're gonna issue visa ban on American citizens. They're not gonna allow American citizens to come to their country. So I was like, are they not member of AES? So are they actually trying to tell me that they have issue, like there's support of terrorists penetrating into Nigerian soil, and they are doing they are pretending to be fighting terrorism, whereas the terrorists are passing through their land to Nigeria. So, because how can you react towards this airstrike, in such manner? Look at this. It says, I don't know if it is true though. Breaking: the Niger nation, that's Niger nation just announced, that's 3 hours ago, just announced that they will no longer issue visa to American citizens in response President Trump's recent strike. The Niger citizens have been responding with a mixed reaction across Africa. Yeah, it should be. It should be mixed reaction, because I don't quite get it. And not only this person, another person made the same reaction. Says, just in, the African nation of Niger announces they will no longer issue visa to American citizens following President Trump's actions. Oh no, how will our country make it? We can no longer visit Niger with a laugh, a kind of mocking them. You understand? Mocking them. Wow. Let's continue. This is airstrike. Like I told you, this is the footage from Fox. Fox made their own publication, Fox News. Watch footage shows the U.S. conducting airstrike in northwest Nigeria on Christmas night, targeting ISIS militants at causes of killing Christians, accused of killing Christians. Sorry, that they targeted these ISIS militants. Okay, accused of killing Christians. The operation was described as decisive, with a warning that further would follow if the violence continues. And I've seen some northerners asking us, should they react? Should they revenge? Ah, my goodness. I was in Dr. Damage's platform immediately when the news broke out. One of his workers jumped in online, begin to yap and said, maybe tomorrow if I have time, maybe later tomorrow or today, depending on your time zone. I mean, 26th December, maybe later when we come live, if I have time, we're going to play it so that you can hear it for yourself. Some people, Nigeria is ripe for divide. Like, Nigeria is very, very ripe to divide. It is overdue. It's long overdue. Not even government now. Some of the people that call the so-called citizens are thinking like animal. I mean, something must be wrong with some people in Nigeria. Somebody is there claiming that America has not done anything, they have not defeated any terrorists, and so what? At least they are the one limiting it. The terrorists have agenda and their target. The people that are actually stopping them and frustrating it is America and Israel. So his line of argument is that this is going to escalate. So whether you stop them or not, it's going to escalate, because the agenda is to they want to dip their Quran in Atlantic Ocean, meaning that they want to Islamize everybody. I remember 5 years ago, 6 years ago, when Mazokan talk about this Islamization, they will say that he's insane, that this guy is mad, that is not possible. Today you are struggling to even talk about it. Today you are struggling to talk about it. So my people, this is breaking news. Like I said, I would like to know what you think about it. What is your take? What is your take? Because a lot is going on. A lot is going on. Some of these people are reacting on it in a very funny way, and we are going to hear more, in hours to come. A lot of people may have what to say about it. All right. So I think Terrr0ri says something. Let me see if I'm gonna bring that of Shawore. I hope I have it here with me. That was what Shawore said that I think is worth sharing. All right. Shawore says something. Let me see if I'm gonna bring it up. Because he somehow contradicts this claim that Nigerian and American collaborate in this airstrike. He says something very, very interesting. Just a moment. So this is Shawore, and Shawore don't believe, to what some these people are saying that they collaborate and all that. He don't believe that. And like I said, let's see. He actually tagged to this Peter, I don't know his name, Peter Hackset. So please pardon me if I don't pronounce well, but you know what I'm talking about. Now he said, I have read the report that the United States of America, United States government launched airstrike on Nigerian soil on Christmas Day, as announced by Red Trump, that's Donald Trump, American president, and U.S. Secretary of War. Okay, thanks to Peter Huggins. I think he's the one that maybe he's the one that is in charge of that department. Yeah, Secretary of War. Yeah, he's the one. Okay, purportedly targeting terrorist group within Nigeria. Although the Nigerian government now claimed it was aware and described the operation as a joint effort with vigor international partners. It is evident that the airstrike were carried out without the genuine authority or informed consent of the weakling masquerading as government under President Bola Tinubu. Okay, my position remains unchanged. Judging by the nature of the confirmed strike on a village in Sokoto, it is clear that the the U.S. president under whom authority this operation occurred neither or understand nor genuinely cares about Nigeria or Nigerians. It is deeply troubling that Nigerian, African most populous nation lacks the capable and sovereign leadership required to protect its people and its territory. So this kind of thing, whether because to me, I felt like he don't respect Trump for responding. He don't he's trying to let Nigerians know that Trump don't love you. He just doing his thing because I don't see the reason why he will put it as if Trump is trying to insult Africa. I'm a kind of person I believe many of you are like that. I believe that you have to respect yourself before crying out that someone don't respect you. Let's forget about what white people are saying or what Trump said, because some of Nigerians are angry that Trump even called Nigeria a disgraced country. You should focus on why you are disgraced and who made it so. Just like some people saying that, like the guy I told you from that Dr. Damage's program. I think he's hosting program on his platform because I did not hear Dr. Damage's saying anything. The guy was like saying that people that are calling America to come and strike and do this and do that, they don't know what is yet to come. That you don't handle this like this. That America have not actually done anything before. As if you actually living peacefully, there's no threat in your life, and America are not coming for your rescue. I asked him, so what do you actually want people to do? To just fold hands while they keep on killing them and they are not be at the mercy of the terrorists? I don't get it. So you see some of these people, using their energy to counter this good thing. And when you ask them, so what is other alternative? Like, what is that alternative? If you don't accept, you don't want America to intervene, what do you think people should do? Like, what is your next line of action? He refused to answer because I put that question for him on the comment section. He couldn't even answer that. He was reading other people's comment and he skipped at my own. I put it again. He don't want to read it. But you are very vocal, condemning someone that is doing something to stop what is going on. But you don't. When it comes to, when it comes for you to talk about what terrorists are doing and who those the enablers, your voice will not go very low. So what is the difference between you and those crime committers? Like, what is the difference between you and terrorists then? Because you are actually enabling them by fighting those that are doing something to stop them. I don't know if you understand what I'm talking about. So when sorry, react like this, it makes me worried. Are you sure that this guy actually know what he's saying? Because if you don't want how, if you don't like the way American carried out the action, whether I'm not even in support, I don't even like it when they inform Nigeria that they are coming. I don't like it because to me it's a way of carrying out airstrike for carrying sake. The damages or the result, not damages, the results may not be as good as it's supposed to be. But I just hope that it's just a political statement that America did not even let them know. So the report of the people of the casualties from the terrorist camp determines to me, I'm going to use that to judge if Nigerian government is aware or not, because they never want to harm terrorists. They never ever. I have seen some of the terrorist sympathizers, making some comments saying that they're going to wait from the north. They're going to wait to hear the official report from Nigerian government. So this morning, in Biafran time, is going to be very, very interesting because that is when news media and Nigerian government will now start reacting and responding. We may end up hearing the number of casualties, even though it's not going to be authentic. But for me, as long as they did not carry out this airstrike with Nigeria, informing Nigeria, I think it's going to be huge. But if they do, if they carry this airstrike out in name of cooperation or detailing them or this or not, for them not to say that you have violated their sovereignty, believe you me, it's a waste of work. Okay, because I don't think Nigerian government that we all know will tell them to relocate. Yes, they will inform them when to carry out and everything, if at all they are aware. Anyway, maybe I am just making up this. Maybe I am somehow crazy to think like that. Let me know in the comment section. What do you think? I would like to hear from you. Good morning. Take care of yourself. Bye bye for now.